Hello guys, this is Joseph and welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today you are going to watch how to install Emmet plugin or package in Atom code editor easily. So simply download Atom from atom.io and then install it. It is quite easy, and then open Atom. And as you can see, I'm on Atom. Go to File first and then find Settings. I'm going to close some tabs. It will make easier to watch. Okay, then simply go down and click on Install. And you must have internet connection, and then simply type Emmet. And it will search the package or plugin for you from the web. And yes, as you can see, Emmet is there. It will make your coding faster. Simply click on Install. And yes, as you can see that it is downloaded and Emmet is now in your Atom. Now you can code faster with more accuracy. Okay, now if I show you, if I open a file with Atom HTML file, you'll be able to find. Okay, the file is there. If I type HTML:5 and press tab, you'll be able to find all the tags are automatically there by typing less. Okay, and if I type suppose h2 tag and press tab, it is there, and those are the shortcuts. Suppose ULLIA and press tab. Now the code is there by typing some simple codes, and by this way you can type with more speed. And finally, if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. If you need more video tutorial on Atom, then feel free to comment us. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.